So today we're gonna be making a happy and healthy chicken stir fry. We're gonna be putting together a lot of great ingredients that are healthy, they're happy, they're fun, they're easy, and you probably have most of them, if not all of them, in your cabinet. But the best thing about this is this. It doesn't take long, it's easy. Now, we have a couple of hacks in here to make sure that your phase 3 meal prep will be super easy, okay? Listen to me. Easy. Too many times I understand the ingredients need to be cooked a specific way, but that doesn't mean you need to do the cooking. If you're anything like me, you are making sure your phase 3 meal is going to be realistic, right? You got a 6-year-old running around, you're an entrepreneur, you're taking care of clients, you're taking care of life, and you're like, how can I cook all of these things and still make sure that they're healthy and making sure that they taste great and everyone's happy? That's why we got a few hacks here to make sure this chicken stir fry that is low carb, I need to make sure I say that to you again, that you're going to love this. We made sure we took care of this and we got you. All right, so this meal is gonna be super easy. The big thing here with the Happi Meal Diet is we're here to make sure you make happy meals that are healthy and happy, and it's gonna make your life even easier to maintain. Because let's be real, when you first get started out, it's not that easy. Because you're trying to figure out which recipe to follow, which gadget to use, but you know what? You don't always have those things accessible to you. So what we did is, we made sure that there's no reason why you can't do this. It's super simple, and I'm not just saying that for camera, I'm saying that because guess what? Right here we have the ingredients, and we're going to show you how to do this to make it even easier. No excuse, low carb chicken stir fry that the entire family will love, and will only take 15 minutes max. All right, so before we even get started, I want to make sure you do me a favor. Smash that like and subscribe button because you are going to want to be here for lots of recipes just like this. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, we have healthy tips, healthy recipes, and some amazing workouts for you. And by the way, these are quick and to the point. So hit that bell so you can be notified every single time we drop this great flavor, these great workouts, and this great information just like this. Let's get to it. You waited long enough. So starting out, we want to make sure you have all the right setup with this. All right, so I know sometimes when you're cooking things, you start watching videos and you're like, what do I need? Oh, and then they tell you that you need a mandolin. You're not gonna need all that. You're gonna need a pot, a skillet, something just like this. Nothing too complicated. It's only 4 instruments that you're gonna need, 4 implements, whatever you wanna call it, that's what you're gonna need. Boom. Next up, you're gonna need my all-purpose knife, which you're gonna be seeing often. If you're watching videos just like this, you're gonna recognize this beautiful knife. I love it, it's sharp, it cuts everything from meat to vegetables. It's legit, I love this thing. Third, you're going to need your spatula. Don't worry about it if it's wooden, if it's metal, whatever works for you. It's only gonna be to scrape a couple of little lovely, delicious bits off the pan, which you're gonna be seeing in a few minutes. And lastly, a cutting board. That's it, nothing else. Nothing complicated. If you can't say you don't have it, if you do, go to Dollar Tree. It's not complicated. You're starting to eat healthy. This is phase 3. You don't want to make it complicated because the more complicated it is, the less likely you're going to do it, and we made sure we took care of you. I got you. So we're about to get started with the ingredients. I got the measurements, got everything, but there's a big question I'm pretty sure that you're asking yourself. What is phase 3? Glad you asked. Check the description as well. Let's get to it with the ingredients. That's going to also be in the description as well. As promised, we got a few hacks here. We have a red pepper. Now, the thing with the red pepper is, this is great, I love this, but when you're short on time, let's face facts, you're not going to be able to do this all the time. So what I have here are some roasted red pepper strips. These work just fine. You can find these at Costco, we find these at Kroger, wherever just works, okay? We have green pepper. Didn't find any hacks for this, but these are really reasonably priced. You can find these anywhere. We're gonna have a little bit of salt and pepper, low sodium soy sauce. With phase 3, with any of the phases, we wanna make sure we don't have something that's low with a lot of sodium anyway. And by the way, when you're making stir fry, you wanna make sure that you acknowledge the fact that this is gonna have lower sodium than when you go out to eat. When you go out to eat, there's so many things that have tons of sodium to make up for the flavor. Low sodium soy sauce is going to be a little salty, but not too much, and it won't be as bad as when you're going out to eat. Also, you're gonna have some low sodium chicken broth. You can find this at Kroger. Super reasonably priced, not a problem. We got some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. Again, you don't need to break the bank to find something like this. We got ginger. Fresh grated ginger works best. However, a hack for us is you to get this ginger paste. It works just fine, all right? We have garlic. You can chop the garlic up, do all that great stuff. It's like whatever cents a pound, it's nothing. But if you're short on time, this works just fine as well, okay? I'm not gonna sit down and tell you that you gotta make sure that you buy this and buy that. But guess what? No, you don't need to do that. This works just fine. You already saw me in the grocery store. Well, you're about to see me in the grocery store buying these chicken thighs. These are skinless, these are boneless, these are hormone-free, steroid-free, very reasonably priced, enough to make sure that the family's gonna be super happy and you don't have to worry about a bellyache or anything like that. We got the steamed fresh broccoli and rice cauliflower. This is a big hack for us. Why? Because you don't need to go to the grocery store and buy broccoli and then chop it down and do things like that. This takes care of it. Because I know some people are gonna say, well, that's not the right way to do it. That's not how you do that. But guess what? You are short on time. And the Happi Meal Diet is all about making sure there's no guilt, no shame, and there's no excuses why you can't get it done. And it's the same thing with this roasted cauliflower. You can buy regular cauliflower, that's just fine. But we, in my house, we really love a lot of garlic. So this works just fine, okay? So again, no excuse. Chicken stir fry, there's low carb that you're gonna love. Happi Meal Diet Phase 3, boom. This is what we're talking about. A low carb, 15-minute or less chicken stir fry. This looks delicious, it smells delicious. And whenever I see my little buddy saying like, I gotta have a bite, I know it's good. All right, I'm going to go. I gotta go. I'm gonna try the chicken and broccoli first. This is the chicken. This is better than takeout. Guys, you gotta give us a shot. I'm sorry about that. Guys, you gotta give us a shot. It's amazing, it's quick. I can't even believe, and we just made this great Phase 3 meal. Look, check it out guys, we have some more videos coming to you. Check a few of these videos out. This is just the beginning, all right? This is just the beginning. Trust me, you're going to be here. Like, subscribe, look at these other videos. All right, I gotta get to eating, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Thanks for watching, guys.